All right, I hope that you're hanging in, that you're enjoying some time off here. I know that it's a stressful time for us all, but mostly what has been helping me out is going for nature walks, getting outside in the fresh air and sunshine, and taking a walk through the woods. So what are you guys doing with your days here as you are quarantining yourself, staying at home? What are you doing? Are you getting a lot of cleaning and organization done? I thought I would be doing that. It has been week 1 and I haven't gotten any cleaning or organization done that I thought I would. I'm just really hanging out with my chickens and my goats and my sheep, and I'm going to show you a little bit about that, what I do in a daily quarantine day here. You know, my husband's doing a lot of the cooking, done a little laundry, but not too much, just kind of hanging out, reading some books, watching a lot of Netflix, and going for a lot of walks, and hanging out with my best friends, my animals. All right, you guys, I hope you have a best friend to hang out with too. I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.